Welcome to JazzTime.com. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, and trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so you can easily choose the best watch for yourself in the comfort of your own home. We have the lowest prices anywhere online, and if you want to know the price, simply click the links in the description below. We greatly appreciate if you buy your next watch from us at JazzTime.com. Today, we'll be talking about the Rolex Datejust 31 with a silver dial, domed bezel, index hour markers on an oyster bracelet, reference number 278240. This case, as denoted in its name, is 31 millimeters in diameter, made of oyster steel strength and durability, along with the ability to polish to the highest degree. The architecture is a monoblock middle case with a screw-down case back and winding crown to ensure a waterproofness down to 100 meters or 330 feet. This bezel is the dome style, made out of oyster steel as well, to match the rest of the case for a clean presentation. The crystal is of the transparent, scratch-resistant sapphire, so there's no fear of suit threads or buttons damaging the crystal. There's a Cyclops lens directly over the date for easy reading at a glance. All right. The dial on this model is silver, with that sunray finishing sunburst pattern. Looks very nice. And with the index hour markers, except for the 12 and 3, which are taken by the Rolex crown logo and the date window respectively. The hour marks have the highly legible chroma-light display for long-lasting luminescence, as can be seen in low-light situations. I can turn the lights out now to show you. And there you have it. You can see the hour and minute hands also showing luminescence for easy reading at a glance. All right. Now turning the lights back on. The bracelet is the oyster style bracelet with flat 3-piece links made of oyster steel. The middle links are all high polish, while the outer links are also brushed and satin finished. The sides of the links also high polish for a very nice distinctive look. The clasp is the oyster clasp. Simply lift the top and it opens. It also has that easy link 5mm extension, so that if your wrist size expands throughout the day, you're covered there. Here's with it closed, and to open it, simply pull on it to open it. Simple. All right. Also, note that the time functions on this will function as you would expect. Simply unwind the crown to the first position so you can wind the watch. The second position allows you to change the date by rotating the crown counterclockwise and by very, very small rotations. So if you need to time travel forward into the future by, let's say, 20 days or so, this watch has you covered. Pull it out to the final position, and notice that the seconds hand has actually stopped right in front of my date window there, and you can easily set the time by moving the minute hand. Be sure to press the crown back up against the case and wind it tightly to maintain that superior water resistance. All right, and perhaps the most important part of this watch would be its movement, which allowed me to do all of that I just showed you. It is the caliber 2236, made in-house by Rolex. It is perpetual, mechanical, and self-winding, with a plus or minus 2 second per day time differential, exceeding Swiss standards of timekeeping. It allows for the instant date setting, as I showed you, with rapid setting and stop seconds for precise time setting. The oscillator is the newer Siloxy hairspring in silicon with patented geometry and is complete with high-performance Paraflex shock absorbers. It is a bidirectional, self-winding via perpetual rotor, so you can effectively wind the watch simply by wearing it. The natural movements of your wrist will keep it wound and replenish the 55-hour power reserve, and if you need to set it down on a Friday evening, you can pick it back up on a Monday morning and it'll be keeping time just fine. All right, and now to try this one on. Nice and easy. All right, Note that it does have that very small 31mm size from finger to thumb on my wrist, so I'm getting a lot of bracelet with a very tiny case. But that's not to say that it's not stylish at all. It's an all-silver presentation, and it can simply go with anything that I can throw on. I feel like I'm elevated higher than I really am with this nice presentation, but with such a small watch face, it feels I might actually be overpowering this watch simply by wearing it. But enough about my thoughts. What do you think about this watch? Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Be sure to leave a like, as it really helps our channel out. Be sure to share this video with anybody who is looking for their next watch. And don't forget to subscribe, click that bell notification so you can be notified when we go live with another video. And don't forget, if you want this watch or any other watch shown on our channel, be sure to put in your order at jazztime.com.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model, and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.